Now, what if there's a framework that helps you build and grow a business that is aligned to your true self? In order to do that, you have to master your inner world first, right? And I touched on this subject a couple of times before in different videos of mine, but I didn't want to leave you without this valuable and powerful insight and information. Even though I'm a little bit cold, I was in Germany last week, and I think my niece gave me the cold, but I didn't want to leave you without any content right now. And I put together a video, and a good thing that I have a digital twin that takes over and explains to you all of these things. And yeah, been to too many countries the last weeks. I've been to Turkey, I've been to Germany, Portugal, but now I need to rest a little bit. So here's my digital twin.
All right, let's just get into it. I want to ask you something, and I want you to actually sit with it for a second before we move on. Have you ever had a moment, maybe in meditation, maybe in the shower, maybe at 2 a.m. when you couldn't sleep, where you knew exactly who you were built to be, like crystal clear? The vision was right there, the purpose, the people you're meant to serve, the life you're building toward, all of it just obvious. And then you sat down at your laptop the next morning and it was gone. And you spent the next 3 hours scrolling, second guessing your content, wondering why it's not working, wondering if you're doing too much or not enough. And by the time you close the laptop, you feel further from that vision than when you started. Yeah? That gap between who you know you are in your clarity moments and who you show up as in the day to day grind of building a business, that gap is what this whole episode is about. Because here's what I've come to understand, and this took me a while to really land on. Alignment is not a feeling you chase, it's a structure you build. And when you get that structure right, that's when AI stops being this overwhelming, soul sucking thing that makes you feel behind and starts becoming the most powerful amplifier you've ever had access to. So today we're going deep. We're talking about the alignment before the algorithm, the inner work that has to happen before any system, any tool, any strategy actually works. And we're talking about how to build it in a way that gives you your creative life back. Stay with me. This one's going to shift something. Before we get into the meat of this, real quick, let me tell you why I'm even qualified to be talking to you about this. Because I think that matters. I don't want you sitting here like, who is this guy and why should I care? So, my name is Jesse. I'm a creative and spiritual entrepreneur, an AI educator, a music artist, a mindset coach, and I've been operating at the intersection of consciousness and business strategy for years now. I'm also a Heijen ambassador, a freebeat AI ambassador, and I've built AI systems for coaches, creators, and healers that have completely changed how they work. But honestly, the credential that matters most isn't any of that. It's that I've lived the misalignment. I know what it feels like to have a spiritual practice that's completely disconnected from the business you're trying to build. I know what it feels like to grind and hustle and produce content that doesn't feel like you. I know what it feels like to use every tool available and still feel like something is off. And I found my way through it. Not by working harder, by getting aligned first, and then letting systems, including AI, carry the weight of everything that didn't require my soul to operate. That's what I teach, that's what I live, and that's what this channel is about. So if that resonates, if you're a coach, a creator, a healer, a conscious entrepreneur who is done feeling like you have to choose between depth and scale, between spirituality and strategy, between being fully yourself and actually growing, then hit subscribe right now because every single episode we drop here is built around that exact problem. We go deep here, real talk, no tech bro energy, no hustle culture nonsense, just practical, soulful strategy for people who are building something that actually means something. Subscribe and keep it locked. All right, let's get into it. Here's what I see constantly in the spiritual entrepreneur and creative space, and I mean constantly. Someone has a real gift, deep, genuine, transformational gift. They know their purpose. They've done the work therapy, meditation, plant medicine, breath work, years of self study. They know who they are on a soul level. And then they try to build a business around it, and everything falls apart. The content feels forced, the offers don't land, the strategy they copy from some business coach makes them feel like they're wearing someone else's clothes, and they end up exhausted, scattered, wondering if they're even cut out for this. And the narrative in the market is it's usually one of two things. Either you need a better funnel or you need to do more inner work. And I'm here to tell you both of those are incomplete because the real issue isn't strategy or spirituality, it's the sequence. Most people try to build a business before they've aligned the builder. They go straight to tactics. What do I post? What's my offer? What's my funnel? Before they've gotten clear on the foundation underneath all of that. And then they wonder why the tactics don't work. Or worse, they work for a minute, get a few clients, get some momentum, and then it all collapses because the foundation wasn't solid, because they weren't solid. Ha, I know how it can be because I've experienced it myself and with others. I've seen this with musicians, I've seen it with coaches, I've seen it with healers, I've seen it with content creators. The pattern is always the same: external strategies applied to an unaligned internal state. And the result is always the same too: burnout, confusion, and that creeping feeling that this thing you love is starting to feel like a job you hate. So let's fix the sequence. Let's talk about what alignment actually is, not the Instagram version of it, the real structural version that changes how everything else operates. Okay, so when I say alignment, I'm not talking about vibes. I'm not talking about manifesting. I'm not talking about doing a morning routine and hoping the universe handles your marketing. I'm talking about a structural match between five things. And when all five are in sync, that's when everything, including AI, starts working at a level you've never experienced before. The five things are awareness, leverage, identity, growing network, and now meaning execution. That's the align framework. And I'm going to walk you through each one because this is the architecture of everything I help people build. Awareness first. This is seeing clearly before you act. And I mean really clearly, not just knowing your niche and your ideal client avatar. I'm talking about awareness of your thought patterns, awareness of where you're operating from fear versus purpose, awareness of the inherited beliefs that are running your decisions underneath the surface. Most spiritual entrepreneurs actually think they have awareness because they meditate or journal, but awareness in a vacuum, awareness that doesn't translate into how you show up in your business, that's not enough. We need awareness that's applied, leverage. This is where AI lives. This is the piece most people skip straight to without doing the awareness work first. And that's why their AI content sounds like everyone else's. That's why their systems feel hollow, because leverage without awareness is just noise at scale. Leverage means stop doing everything yourself. In 2026 and beyond, raw effort is not the edge. The edge is how intelligently you multiply your output. AI systems, automation, repurposing frameworks, these are your leverage tools, but they amplify what you put in. If what you put in is unclear, the output is unclear, just faster. Identity. This one is the deepest and most underestimated. People don't fail because of bad strategy. They fail because their identity doesn't match their goals. There's a version of you that already has what you're building toward. And the question is, are you being that person yet? Not pretending to be, not performing it, actually embodying it. Identity work is self worth work, it's authority work. It's about deciding before the results show up that you are the person who gets those results, and then showing up consistently from that place. Growing network, you do not scale alone, full stop. The right rooms, the right mirrors, the right community, these accelerate everything. And in the context of building an aligned business, network means the people around you are either reinforcing your vision or diluting it. There's not a lot of middle ground. And finally, now, execution, aligned action. This is where potential becomes real. And this is where so many spiritual and creative people get stuck in the refinement loop, always preparing, always planning. never shipping. The N now step is about trusting your alignment enough to move without perfect conditions. When all five of these are working together, the business doesn't feel like a grind. It feels like an extension of who you are. And the AI tools slot in at the leverage layer and carry the mechanical weight so the rest of you can stay in the deeper work. Hey, real quick, if you're still with me right now, drop a comment below and tell me which of those five, awareness, leverage, identity, network, or now, which one is your weakest link right now? I read every single comment and I will respond. Let me know where you're at. Okay, story time. Because I don't want this to be theoretical. A few weeks ago, I'm sitting at my desk and I decide I'm going to build my AI content system. Not just play with AI, not just try a few prompts, actually build something. A system inside Claude Code that knows my voice, my clients, my offers, my vision, and can generate a full week of content, research reports, email sequences, YouTube content outlines on command. And I want to be honest with you, the first time I tried building this before on ChatGPT, it felt messy. Like the output wasn't quite right. The content sounded close to me, but not quite me. And I kept tweaking the prompts, thinking the tool was the problem. But it wasn't the tool, it was me. I hadn't been clear enough about who I was, what I stood for, who I was speaking to, what made my voice different. So I learned how to get the best out of it. Now with Claude, I already knew the tool will give me exactly what I put in, which back then was a blurry version of myself. So now with Claude, I went to the alignment layer first. I got precise. I documented my voice, my worldview, my frameworks, the exact transformation I offer. I built what's called a Claude MD, a file that lives inside the system and tells the AI everything it needs to know about me before it generates a single word. And then I ran it again, and the output was different. It was mine. The tone, the rhythm, the spiritual edge, the directness, it was actually mine. In one session, I had a full content week mapped out, a research report on my niche and competitors, email sequences, Instagram captions, all of it, in my voice for my audience. And what hit me while I was sitting there watching it work was that this only happened because I had done the alignment work first. The system didn't create my voice, it reflected it back to me at scale. In the aligned AI system, by the way, I have a vision mapping first before we even get your AI clone blueprint prompt ready for the Claude project, which we also use at the core. That's the shift. That's what I'm trying to give you today. The alignment is the prerequisite. The AI is the amplifier. In that order, always. See you next time. Peace and love. Ciao.